Happy National Lash Day. Today we are celebrating with a look inspired by me. Lately I've been liking a little bit more natural lashes with a zhoosh. So we created this look to have some density at the base, some little pops, and we're calling it wispy texture. For this blueprint first, we're going to be taking 2 classic lashes and stack them together to make the spikes. Next, we're going to work on the base. You're going to want 60 fans and bundles in shorter lengths to create a nice dense bottom layer. To finish your set, you're going to take 0.03 and classic lashes throughout your middle layer. Here's the step-by-step for this beautiful set that we created, and all the products you need are linked below.
So as you can see, Nisha has more of a rounded eye shape here on both eyes. So what we did is we were able to use a softer curl. When you use a softer curl, it's going to help so that she doesn't look surprised, which is what we're trying to avoid when we have someone with more of a rounded eye. So we went in with some shorter lengths and a C curl throughout the bottom layer and the middle section, and then to create a little more dimension and some texture, give it that nice wispy look, we added some spikes throughout the entire lash line so that it kind of elongated a little bit versus kind of bring in and give a surprise look. We wanted to elongate with that. And then also the shorter lengths and the softer curls help just create that nice dark lash line that we're looking for. So I'm gonna just kind of have you turn to this side so you can kind of see from the peak of the brow here, this full section, and then as we move through here, the peak of the brow to the outer section, it just kind of lifts up this outer section here and elongates it a little bit. Alright, so the first steps in your blueprint is obviously you're wanting to identify your workspace and then identify the peak of the brow. From there, you always want to make sure that when you're blueprinting, you're keeping in mind the length of the natural lash. So here in our blueprint, we're blueprinting 9 through 14. The dots in the blueprint will be accounting for the spikes, which is the area that we're going to start with first. Your spikes should always be about 1 to 2 lengths longer than the section that you're working in. So step 1, you're going to want to place your spikes on the top layer. Make sure that you're leaving a few additional healthy lashes on the top layer in case you need to add spikes later. You'll see that I marked to the right here a -1 just to remind me that my bottom layers need to be shorter lengths. Once you've placed your spikes, you'll want to move to your bottom layer and fill your bottom layer with 60 fans and bundle lashes. Next, you're going to want to fill and complete the look by utilizing classic lashes and 0.03 bundles.
All right, you guys, I am so obsessed with this technique. I can't wait to see what you do on your clients. For more on this technique or one-on-one mentoring, you can click the link below for our online campus. If you want more looks, tips, and inspo, you can follow us on our Instagram account @BorbalettaArtist. If you guys love this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also let us know in the comments what you want to see more of in our next videos. Thanks, you guys.